Today I removed my sketchy temporary false airbag and the whole steering wheel as well for a custom wheel setup that looks and feels better while driving. Start off with lining your steering wheel straight and make sure your wheels are straight as well. Go ahead and loosen the 21mm bolt that Miatas use. Give the wheels some pull force and it should loosen right up. If not, hit it on the sides from the front. Fully remove the bolt and remove the steering wheel while carefully routing the wires out of it. The device that spins and has wires connecting to it is the clock spring. Do not spin it. You will damage it if you do not keep it in the same position as when the wheel was removed. I went ahead with the Dyke Boss hub. It is a quality product that keeps the clock spring in its place and is built out unlike other hubs I tried before deciding to go with this option. Plug in the supplied horn connector that came with the Dyke hub and route it through the inside of the hub. After aligning the hub horizontally straight with how the OEM wheel was, start threading on the 21mm bolt. Get your new steering wheel and tighten it onto the hub with at least 3 screws across from each other to hold the hub in place as you apply force to tighten the bolt in place. Torque spec? I don't know what that is. Just give it a bit of juice until you feel comfortable with it. I did try to mount the NRG 2.0 quick release on top of this hub and that placed the indicators too far to reach comfortably. Also, we'll say this now, and it is the conclusion that I came after working with a couple of energy products. The products look great, but they aren't quality built. I personally do not trust the carbon fiber energy wheel, which looks incredible, but came cracked on the bottom right side. The quick release looks fantastic as well, but I'd rather save up my money and go for a premium Works Bell short hub and quick release setup, which is, yeah, like 3 times the price, but it is quality, original design that is proven to not only look good, but perform very exceptionally, which some energy products do not. I decided to go with a direct wheel mount to the hub, which looks cleaned and is the most secure option. The Dyke hub and spacers with the MOMO wheel work just as well as they look. And if your airbag is blown, well, it's good news since this whole setup costs less than getting a new airbag for a Miata. But you probably have bigger problems to worry about if you just blew your airbags. Thanks for watching this far. Check out a little section of another video where I go for a little ride with the wheel.